Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Ford Escape? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box, formerly known as the power distribution box, functions as a sophisticated central nervous system for the electrical infrastructure of the 2026 Ford Escape. It is meticulously engineered to house a series of high-capacity fuses and electromagnetic relays that act as a safeguard for the vehicle's primary electrical circuits, effectively preventing damage from sudden power surges, overloads, or potential short circuits. Situated within the engine bay, this module serves as the critical intersection where electrical current from the battery is managed and routed to essential systems, including the powertrain control module, the ignition system, fuel injectors, cooling fans, and exterior lighting arrays. The housing is constructed from high-durability, weather-resistant materials to protect the delicate internal circuitry from the harsh environmental conditions of the engine compartment, such as extreme heat, moisture, and automotive fluids. To access the internal fuses and relays, the technician or owner must typically manipulate a release lever situated at the rear of the protective cover, or in some configurations, disengage specific side-mounted latches to lift the housing lid. This accessibility allows for the diagnostic verification of electrical integrity when a specific system fails to operate as expected. Because this unit maintains a direct and constant connection to the main 12-volt battery, it remains perpetually energized. Therefore, any maintenance, such as the inspection or replacement of a blown fuse, must be conducted with extreme caution to prevent accidental grounding. If the vehicle experiences comprehensive electrical failures, or if significant components associated with the power distribution box remain non-functional after a basic inspection. Battery fuse box. The battery fuse box, technically identified in service manuals as the pre-fuse box or battery terminal mounted fuse box, serves as a critical safety assembly located within the engine compartment, specifically mounted onto the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery in gasoline-powered models. Its primary function is to house several high-amperage fuses that act as the initial point of protection for the entire electrical architecture of the vehicle, shielding major circuits from extreme electrical overloads or short circuits directly at the source of power. In the full hybrid electric vehicle and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle models of the 2026 Ford Escape, the battery fuse box, often identified as the pre-fuse box, serves as a foundational safety component for the 12-volt electrical system. Located within the engine compartment and attached directly to the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery, this assembly houses several high-current fuses specifically engineered to protect the primary vehicle electrical architecture from extreme overloads or short circuits. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box, often referred to as the interior fuse box or smart junction box, serves as the primary computer and electrical distribution hub for the convenience and comfort features of the 2026 Ford Escape. Located typically behind or below the glove compartment within the passenger cabin, this advanced module acts as the brain for non-engine electronics, managing critical systems such as interior and exterior lighting, power windows, door locks, the windshield wiper system, and the vehicle's anti-theft security features. By integrating a physical fuse and relay panel directly into the computer housing, the module protects these diverse cabin circuits from electrical overloads. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.